In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of photos is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.